So you just got your zip seams, and I'll just show you what to do to set it all up. Due to shipping, the channel of the zip seam might have gotten compressed, so I'm just going to run a spoon through the channel and make it bigger again. And I'm just gonna gently pull on the spoon and have the channel go back to its original shape. Next, if we're going to take the shirt in an inch, we'll just place the zip seam an inch up from the edge of the shirt, and you can notice the bottom of the zip seam is actually flat, so you should be able to feel the flat part to let you know that the channel is facing up. So we'll just slide the zip seam an inch from the original seam with the channel facing up. Next, we got the zip seam card, and we're just going to use that to push the fabric into the channel. And it does help to push the fabric in from the ends because it is a little bit easier because the ends are a little more pliable. So we'll just work our way down. And we're done with step number 2. Alright. And here's the final step. We'll just lock the fit into place by inserting this cord. First, you'll need to tie a knot onto the end so the cord doesn't fall out of place. Next, while having the knot on the end of the channel, you can just pull on the cord and it should snap into place. And just like that, we're just gonna work it down one segment at a time and pull the cord into the channel and lock the fit into place. And from the little stress tests I've done, the zip seam should hold up to 14 pounds of force. So like if you're in an office environment, it should have no problem holding on to your daily tasks. But if you're like playing basketball in your dress shirt, then won't make any promises, will stay in place. Alright, then we'll just pull on the shirt a little bit to get rid of any wrinkles. And there you go. You just made a new seam an inch from the original seam. And here's the end result. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.